Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to purchase memberships, shared one, in lowest price. Like instead of paying a lot of prices for each month, there is another method guys, which is at lowest price you can use the membership itself and you can consume it and use it. All what you need to do, just copy paste this link, which is Gams Go, which is you'll find the shared membership from here. As you can see, the ChatGPT, which is 5.77, the Crunchyroll only $3, Gemini, Spotify, Perplexity. You'll find anything that it is related as shared one. So all what you need to do, go for the login, sign up. I will use my Google account, so Taki Solution here, and then press continue. And then I'm gonna be having that account creation. So I'm gonna be having my account here. I can invite, I can get some points. So here in the Crunchyroll, I can purchase 3 months activation or activate auto renewal. So I was gonna be go for the payment. I can here purchase account at lowest price with shared amount. So I hope you like the video. If you find something like this really interesting for you guys, because most of it is gonna be something really useful as shared membership. So yeah, that's it. I hope you like the video. Please like, share, and subscribe the channel. Peace.